we will place the nodes. So what we have done yet, we have defined some variables. Those variables, up to here we have defined some variables only. Why we have defined? To be used in these values. Okay, here we are using those variables, and before that we have defined some network new simulator object, topography object, and defined what will be the name of trace files and network animator files. Then general object operations director we have defined, and nothing more than that. Okay, if we summarize everything what we have learned, it becomes very narrow. Okay, whenever I explain for the first time, it becomes a bit large. No problem in that. At the end you will feel confident anyway. For set counter. Now this is the for loop, similar as any programming language. In C or C++, what we do? For I is equals to 0, I is less than some value, I plus plus or something like that. It is written the same thing but in different language. Set counter 0. A variable counter is created with value 0. Value of counter is less than value of nn. Until the value of counter is less than value of nn, what we will do? Increment counter by 1. Okay. We have not written anything. After counter, it means it will increment counter by 1. Okay. So what it is? A loop will run how many times? Up to value of nn. Okay, 0 to value of nn minus 1 time it will run. Okay. So if it is 100, the value of nn is 100, it will run from 0 to 99. Okay, so then we will create the nodes from 0 to 99 value. Okay, the IDs will be 0 to 99. So let us see how we create nodes. Actually, we can provide any name for node. Since it is vehicular network, we have provided name as vehicle. You can change it any name, A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, any name you can provide. Vehicle underscore is the variable we have provided. Set vehicle underscore, in bracket I have written counter. What is this counter? The loop variable. So first counter variable will be 0, where vehicle 0 will be created. What it is? It is a node. Okay. A node is created and it has the name vehicle underscore 0. Second, vehicle 0, counter value 0 for first iteration. So x coordinate we will define. What will be the x coordinate of vehicle 0? It is defined using this function. Value of counter into 10. So 0 into 10 means x coordinate will be 10. Okay. And what is the y coordinate? Set y underscore 0 into, counter is 0 now, so the value will be 0. X underscore is 0 for first node, and y variable will also be 0 for first node. Okay. So these two, x1 and y1, both are 0 for variable for first node. Z is always 0. We can put it any, means suppose 1.5 also, if we want to relate it with vehicular network, because the antenna is at a distance of some 1.5. Some researchers use 1.5 here, but I have kept it as 0. You can keep it as you want. Vehicle counter. So vehicle 0, set ID counter. What is the ID of the vehicle? It will be similar to the counter. What is the value of counter? It is 0. ID and address, both variable does the same work. Okay. So, but the developer has used two variables, so we provide the values to both the variables. ID underscore is 0, address underscore is 0. Okay. So what we have done till now, a vehicle 0 is created, that is a node. Its x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 0 and z coordinate is 0. Second, vehicle 0 has the ID is 0. Vehicle 0 has the address 0. Okay. So these things we have created.